Whenever you will get the credentials to access as an admin user, you will be able to go into the admin panel. This is the back office where you will be able to fully manage your eShop. Here, on the left panel, you will find several functionalities like the orders list, the products catalog, or the categories tree. But from the front-end point of view, the two main tabs are the CMS and the settings one. Here you can get the themes option and you will be redirected to the theme manager. In this panel is where all the front-end code will be done. But before going deeper into it, we should know all the technology tools we are using in front-end side. Bootstrap 3 is the main front-end framework, and according to the technologies used by it, we are also using Less as a CSS preprocessor and JavaScript. We are also using Handlebars as a templating system for JavaScript and Smarty as a template engine for PHP. Knowing this, we can have a quick look at the theme manager. Here we will find the available themes that will give you the possibility to change the skin of your eShop, just selecting the desired one. All the themes are split into folders. In each of them, you will have either nested folders, like this one, or just files, like these images uploaded to the theme. The Less files will be contained in the CSS folder and the JavaScript one in the JS one. All the HTML files will be split into the eShop and the global folder. Just as an example, if we check this folder here, we will find all the files that could have a common use in your eShop, like the header, for instance. If we search for header and we edit, you will get the code related to this file. And here is where the developers will be able to work in the code. Last but not least, we will highlight the compilation button on the top right of the theme manager panel. It is through these buttons where the developers will get the compiled Less, JS or Handlebars files. For a better understanding of how to deal with the management, editing, and all the work done in the theme manager, please refer to the specific tutorial video. If we go to the CMS tab, we will mainly find the two ways we have to add translated and dynamic content to your eShop. These two ways are the CMS itself and the translations. Translations is the easiest way we have to add simple translated strings. The translations are managed by key. You can create a new one, adding a key name, for instance. Let's call it key1. And then we add translated content for each of the available languages in the website. We can either add one translated content in each of the fields or just translate them automatically. We save and it's created. So we can also search by this key name. Let's search for key 1. And here, this is the key we just created. You can edit the value or just delete it. The other option is the CMS. The Kooomo CMS system is managed through typologies. Using an object-oriented language, a CMS typology would be a class and a CMS content would be an instance of that class. In the Configuration tab, you will be able to create, remove, or edit any of the typologies already created. When you edit a typology, you will be able to manage the fields contained in this typology. You can sort them by drag and drop. You can edit these properties or just remove them. Instead, if you decide to create a new typology, you can use any of the existing field types to create the typology according to your specific needs. In the Contents panel, you will find all the existing typologies and the contents contained in them. The contents can be edited, published, unpublished, or deleted if is needed. If that specific typology has the proper HTML files created to display its content, you can even get a front-end preview of them. Clicking on this button and you get it. But once again, for getting a better understanding of how to work with Kooomo CMS system, please refer to the specific tutorial video.